Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. Thank you for joining me today. I'm excited for today's box. This is my first Boxycharm by Ipsy. So I'll see how we like it compared to the Boxycharm by Boxycharm. So Boxycharm by Ipsy is a monthly box. The monthly box will give you 5 full-size items for $30 a month, worth up to $200 a month. I'm excited to see what's in here with you all. Let's see what's inside. Now I did add 2 items to this box. So I've got my regular items plus I have 2 add-ons. After you go through your pick items and decide which items you want from the different categories, there's additional categories of add something for $3.50, add something for $8, add something for $12, and so on. So I got 2 items from the $3.50 column. These are satin scrunchies for sleeping in. I like to sleep with my hair up, so satin ones help it from breaking while I'm sleeping. My hair has its own issues. I don't need to add to it, so sleeping with something that'll keep it from breaking as much will be excellent for me on that. So that was one of my $3.50 add-ons. My other add-on is, okay, you guys, if you've seen any of my videos, you know I have issues. I cannot say no to a good eyeshadow palette. So there is one reason and one reason only I got this palette. This is in Rio Love Trend Beauty, and I love the box, the blue color and the pink and the gold, but there's one reason I grabbed this one. Well, 2. It was $3.50. It was too good of a deal, but look at the color. Oops. Look at those colors. I got this specifically for these 3 colors, mainly these 2. I'm in love with this blue and green, and I have used yellow on occasion. I'm not sure I've used that bright of a yellow, but you can use the more muted colors to tone it down a little bit, or you can go full bright and in-your-face colors with this and look gorgeous. But I got this for those 3 colors on the bottom, those beautiful bright colors. And there are 15 shades in here. There's a mix of shimmers and mattes. The middle row, all of the middle row is metallic shimmers. So those are really pretty. And I think all the rest of them are matte colors. So those are the 2 I got in addition to the regular items in the box. So now let's see what I got in the box. This is a set of brushes, and they're actually really cuter than I thought they were going to be. Let me see. I will say, in the glam bag, and like again, this is my first Boxycharm by Ipsy, but every single Ipsy month that we've had between me and my sister, we've gotten at least 1 brush. Brushes are nice, but I would rather have another full-size product, either skincare or makeup, than another brush in my life. Saying that, you'd be like, why did she pick more brushes? The other options were lip liners, and I don't really wear lip liners, so I got the brushes. So I did pick these as opposed to some of the other items that were in the category that were just not my cup of tea. But these are really nice ones. I haven't seen this actual kind of brush before. It's wide and flat and angled, and it thins out towards the top. So I'll have to check into that one and see what you use that one for. But these look like fluffy eyeshadow brushes, or maybe even concealer brushes. But the handles of these are really cool. They are a clear iridescent purple. So they're very, very pretty. But again, I got these as opposed to a single lip liner. These are from Wing Me. So these are Wing Me brand brushes. They come in a resealable little baggie. So I'm going to stick them in there. I will honestly set these aside for when I need them. I do not need any new brushes at the moment. I just, if you've seen the recent P. Louise boxes, we got, my sister and I, we share that subscription, so we both are sharing a full set of their brushes plus a partial set that we got in a calendar. So if you haven't seen the calendar, the Advent calendar video, check it out. It's got a lot of really fun stuff in it. But if you see those, you'll understand why. These can just go on the shelf for a little while. All right, the next item in here is from Lily and Blossom. This is Seraphine Botanicals, a lily infused blush palette. Does that mean it's gonna smell? I'll have to see. And I'll post I have a screenshot of the items in the box and the value of the box. I think the value of the box was $174 before my add-ons. So this is not coming out. So before my add-ons, it was 174-ish. I don't remember. I'll show you. I'll put it in the corner. But it was 170 something. All right, so I got this one open, and it was not easy to get out. But we have our Seraphine Botanicals Lily and Blossom Lily Infused Blush Palette. No, it does not smell like lilies. Well, no, well, it does almost, I might be imagining it, but it might have a floral smell to it. But those are really pretty blushes. You got your peachy tones, pinky tones, just real neutrals that you could use for highlighter or just to blend in with the others to give it some depth. But I do like that set. I forgot to show you, the box comes with a booklet that has information. It has a scan here code to give you more information about the items that you picked. I'll have to check on that later. And it's got some more information about some of the other Power Pick items that were available. So I'm going to set that over here. The next item in here is Lash Confidence, LYS Beauty Lash Confidence. Is this mascara? Why do they have to make boxes so hard to open? This is a triangle. I can't figure out if it's supposed to open along the edge or along the top because it's not opening in any of those places. I got it. All right. Ooh, it's triangle-y inside too. Okay, so this is really cute. It's a triangle. A triangle packaging. And it is a mascara. A nice fluffy mascara with a curved brush. I'm excited to try that one out. Very, very cute. The next item is from Feel. This is one of my picks, I think. This is a squalene, how do you want to say that? Facial oil. So this is a face oil from Feel. Just to help with extra hydration. And it does have properties in it that are supposed to help the overall look and feel of your skin. So I'm excited to try that out. All right, the last item is an Ofra Signature Palette. This might have been my other third pick. It looks familiar, so let me see. This is a this says, pop the champagne and your eye looks with this palette of metals and mochas. Ooh, that sounds fancy. Oh my goodness, this has a full-on like plastic cover for it. And a magnetic closure. This is one of the nicest little palette covers. And it doesn't have a mirror, but that's okay. But you can see those beautiful colors and the names of the colors. Champagne Wishes Come True. Those are gorgeous. I cannot wait to try those. I really love a good neutral kind of mocha eye. It's going to be really pretty. Let me show you what these look like. This is the truffle color. There's not a lot of color on that one. These are going to have to be buildable. So this one, ooh, that one's got a lot more color. This is the Divine color. Running out of fingers. Okay, this is the Middle Rodeo Drive. Really pretty light color. The next one is going to be, this one is just called Brown. So very creative with the name on that one. So that one definitely is brown. And the last one is called Clay. It's going to probably have some more orangey undertones. We'll put that one up here. That's this one. Really pretty. So those are really pretty colors. And even that one has some shimmer to it. So the ones that are not obviously shimmery still have some shine to them. You can see. Well, that is my first Boxycharm by Ipsy subscription month for January. I actually really liked this box. Again, I'll have already posted the picture of the value for this box. Let me know how you like yours. Let me know what you got in your boxes. Give me some feedback on the icon boxes if you're already a subscriber. Do you think it's worth it? Should I get it? Should I try it out? But let me know your thoughts on this box. Thank you so much for joining me today with Beth Unboxes. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that like button. Hit the notification so you know when the next video is going to be coming out. But for now, I hope you have a great rest of your day.